Run through exercise of chapter 20. First question is, a dice is rolled. Determine the chance of happening, certain, impossible, less likely, very likely, even chance for the following outcomes. We have given some outcomes by rolling a dice. We have to tell these are certain chance, impossible chance, less likely, very likely or even chance. We have done definitions of these all. First is rolling a 5. Rolling a 5 is even chance now because 5 is on the dice. It means this is even chance. A part is even chance. B part, rolling a number less than 2. Less than 2 also on the dice. It means it is also an even chance. Rolling a 9. 9 is not on the dice now. It means this is impossible. Impossible. D is rolling a dice, rolling a number less than 15. Less than 15. Certain means sure chance. Less than 15 always, because we know that there are 6 numbers on the dice and these 6 numbers are also less than 15. It means certain chance. E part is rolling a number greater than 1. Rolling a number greater than 1. Greater than 1. But we know that 7 is also greater than 1. We can't say na certain, but we will say very likely. Very likely. It means near to the chance. Very likely. E part, very likely. F part, rolling a factor of 6. Rolling a factor of 6. We know that there are 3 factors of 6 in the dice, 2, 3 and 6. These are factors of 6. Now it means even chance. G part, rolling a number that is an integer. Integer, we know that 1 to 6 all numbers are integers. It means certain chance, sure. H part, rolling a number greater than or equal to 6. This is also even chance. Second sum is, describe each of the following statement as an experiment, an event or an outcome. First is choosing a letter from the word probability. Just we have to choose a word. No conditions are given. It means when no conditions are given, this is an experiment. So A part is an experiment. B part, choosing a letter from the word probability such that the letter is a vowel. Now condition is given, letter will be vowel. When conditions are given with the experiment, that became event. It means second is an event. C part, choosing the letter P from the word probability. Just we have to given P word, exact one word is given. It means when exact word are given, it became outcome. This is outcome. Fourth sum, a ball is chosen from a bag that contains 30 balls numbered from 1 to 30. What is the probability that the ball chosen will be divisible of 7? We have given condition divisible of 7. From 1 total balls are 30. We have to make event. We will make event E is equal to, what is given? Divisible of 7. From 1 to 30 divisible of 7 are 7, 14, 21 and 28. These 4 numbers are divisible of 7 up to 30. Now find the probability of this event. What is the formula? To find the probability of this event, formula is number of outcomes in the event divided by total number of outcomes. Now number of outcomes in the event are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total number of outcomes are 30 because 30 balls are there. When we cut it at the table of 2, we get 2 by 15. This is our answer.